Okay guys, I'm just embarking on a new project. What we have here is a wood router, and it was originally made by Phoenix GS, manufactured CNC router. Probably dates back about 10 years or so. These routers were run off of a computer, but they had the old DOS system, so the programs went away, the machines got outdated, and a lot of them hit the scrapyard, which is fortunately where I found this little puppy here. And what I was interested primarily is that the metalwork is in good shape. So it has a vacuum table on it, as you can see. It's still a little bit dirty there, but it also has the all of the slides, and also the servo motors are in place. So it's actually quite well built, all out of probably aluminum. Looks like the table's about 24 by 24, and it also has some controls here that I'll be able to reuse. My intention is to completely retrofit this, much the same as I did with my CNC mill that I found in the scrapyard. So it's got some nice touch control panel here. I don't know how much of this I'm going to be able to reuse, but I'm going to open this up right now, and I'm going to see what's inside there, what I can reuse, and check it out a little bit further so I can start ordering some parts. Okay, so here's what we have. This is the electronics package, and so on this side looks like we have some relays, a couple relays, the master fuses, some chip blacks. This is looks like part of the safety switch system, because these two wires right here are connected to the door safety. So it's quite possibly part of the safety. And it looks like maybe a little relay down in the corner down there. And then down underneath there we have the e-stop, start-stop relays. And then that's divided over on the other side. And then on this side we have the power supply, the rectifier down there, capacitor, another relay. And then up on top here, this is the connections for the limit switches. And there's a little DC power supply there for the control panel. And then the connections for the limit switches are there. And at the very back here is the motor supply for the servo motors. So that's all the connections there. And then underneath here, I'm looking at this upside down, is the push button panel for the controls. So that gives you quite a number of controls there. If I look at that, bring it to the front of that, that's what this looks like. So it gives you the X, Y, Z, and your incremental controls, fast, Z, cycle start, cancel, etc. And the E-stop switch. And there's a feed rate override switch there as well. So overall, pretty nicely built. But the big thing is, this is controlled, looks like, by some fiber optic cables right there, in, out. So that would go to the PC at one time. So I'll have to figure out how that works. It may not be worth fixing all this, we'll just put a new controller in.